I think it's something we need, especially as social media, the internet grows. People look to it to really make these decisions because you don't want to waste time. I think is the biggest part of it.
Exactly, exactly. And then even as far as my pop-up events, so this past weekend I was selling pop-up dinners. And after I sell my food, I would text someone and say, how was it? Did you enjoy it? Anything negative, anything positive? Because I want to know what you didn't like so I can make it better, or if I cannot make it again. An event I recently did, they love my mac and cheese, they love my salmon. So I know those are two items that I should always keep in my menu because that's what they like. But other items they would tell me they don't like, and I'm like, okay, let's not put that on the menu because it won't sell. So the reviews are definitely needed. Feedback is always needed. I appreciate it. I accept it. Some people can't take like constructive criticism, but that's something I'm learning to do. And in business, you definitely have to learn that so you get to see. So I'm learning that. I'm learning to take opinions in, processing it, and taking it for what it is. But I hear all opinions. So